What happens when you daily plank for 1 minute? You have surely heard of the plank exercise in several training programs. Many people recommend it and say it is the best exercise for the abdomen, and they are not mistaken. Unlike other classic abs exercises, the plank comes with a bunch of benefits, which we'll speak in few seconds right after we explain the correct way to do the plank exercise. The great thing about the plank exercise is that it requires no equipment at all. Therefore, you can perform this exercise anytime and anywhere. Throughout the exercise, you need to keep the abdominal muscles tense. Take care to keep the elbows located exactly under the shoulders and the body to form a straight line from the shoulders to the heels. It will also be a lot easier if you use a stopwatch or a timer on your phone, rather than counting the seconds yourself, and use a thick exercise mat to be more comfortable for your elbows and toes. With that being said, let's find out what happens when you daily plank for 1 minute. Number 1. It will reduce belly fat. Since the plank pose mainly works your core abdominal muscles, it is a great exercise to get rid of stubborn belly fat. Holding a plank for 1 minute daily can alone help to trim down belly fat and provide an appealing shape to your body. Number 2. It will improve body balance and posture. This is one of the reasons plank exercises are considered a fundamental part of a daily workout routine. Apart from muscle growth and endurance, plank will help you gain a better body balance and better posture, making you become less vulnerable to suffering injuries during the workout. Number 3. It will strengthen your core. The core of your body consists of the spine, shoulder bones, pelvis, and joints. With a strong core, you will be able to better perform certain exercises. The 4 most important muscle groups that constitute your core are strengthened with the help of the plank exercise. These muscle groups are transversus abdominis, rectus abdominis, oblique muscles, and glutes. Number 4. It will improve your metabolism. By doing plank, it will help you to build abdominal muscles and in many cases even boosts the development of muscles in other parts of the body due to added core strength. With more muscle mass, you will burn more calories, and this will regulate a healthy appetite. Therefore, by doing plank daily for just 1 minute can improve metabolism as well. Number 5. It will improve your mood. Yes, that's right. Planks aren't just good for strengthening your body, but they can help you also improving your mood. They are great for targeting groups of muscles that commonly strain people, which helps eliminate related anxiety and worry. Additionally, all forms of exercise, including the plank, can help to reduce anxiety and depression. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.